Let's have a look at that forecast. It's still damp out there.
A little damp on the streets, and yet the weather conditions will dry out nicely on the west coast today, Michelle, and warm up as well, which is a really different story from what we're seeing across the rest of the country, where it's still very cold on the east side of the Rockies. In fact, some snow will target the central interior today. The high pressure ridge not building into place just yet, but conditions will gradually dry out in the southern interior. The freezing rain, the leftover flurries tapering off for the Okanagan and the South Thompson. Moving on to the other side of the Rockies and targeting southern Alberta. Calgary gets 10 to 15 centimeters of snow today. Very few light flurries showing up in Edmonton. That's light snowflakes across parts of the central prairies into Winnipeg. More significant snowflakes likely in southern Ontario and southern Quebec in the colder air wrapping around that low, which is just aiming for the Maritimes. In fact, very chilly conditions for today in Halifax. It'll be below -12. I think it's about -25 in Fredericton for this morning. Your high in Quebec City, -16. Toronto, -7 with a few light flurries around at times. And there's also some light snowflakes in that central prairie forecast. The only trouble spot that I see, Calgary, not on your map, but definitely 10 to 15 centimeters of snow for today and about 15 below freezing. Now here it'll be double digits on the high side of zero. The pattern is drying out right on schedule. We have an awful lot of leftover cloud lasting much of the day. I'm going to say late afternoon. Sunny breaks at about 12 today. Much more sun tomorrow and on Thursday, following some fog patches in the morning at about 10 degrees. The rain showers are back on Friday, but it's not heavy rain. It's not strong winds. It's a few garden variety showers as we wrap up this week.